Okay, another wig unboxing. Today it's Wigshe. Now we all know the packaging is super cute. If you're in the wig world, you've seen it 100 times, but I'll put it back together just so I can show. Box comes like this, has this so cute little gold rim. Then, and once you open it, the wig comes in this bag. Boop. It's got the Wigshe name on it. It comes with a wig grip and a really cute thank you note. I love that, just a little touch. And then here's the wig. This is 054. So one of the big reasons why I wanted a Wigshe wig is because everything I read and hear about is how amazing their cap is, how comfortable it is, how well it fits. So I was like, you know me, gotta try it. So looking at this cap, I got fully bleached knots. So let's look at the hairline. Okay, so these are the knots. Of course, that's no scar tape, no nothing. That's just my hand underneath there, but it looks great. And then once we get in a little further, this is your whole parting area, okay? Then you've got a comb at the top and a comb at the bottom. So these are those kind of bendable combs. There's 2 clips on the side. I don't know that I would use that because I use my wig grip. But for people who don't use a wig grip, the combs would be great if you have bio hair. The cap feel is very stretchy, and this is very, very, very soft. Nothing itchy about it. This lace, when I'm touching the lace top, not real scratchy or anything. So far, I'm happy. This is the most expensive wig I've purchased so far. Some of that's because of how long I got it. I got 20 inches. So now I'm gonna throw her on. I was able to ask for custom right-sided parting. Okay. All right. We're gonna brush her out just a little bit here. Yeah. I did decide I'm gonna take this wig to my hairdresser and I'm going to have her customize it. I want layers. I want layers all throughout. This bottom part is a little bit heavy. I do like it when it kind of tapers slightly. And while I like money pieces, this is a little bit much. So I think I'm gonna have, just for me, it's cute. But for me, I'm not sure that that's what I want for an everyday, like typical wear wig. So I just may have her tone some of that out. So very easy things that most hairstylists can do, but always check with your hairstylist to see if they're willing to do that. But I just love her. This hair feels wonderful. I know they use 100% Remy human hair. It's made to order. So when you order these wigs, it takes about 40 days to get made, and then of course shipping. I got very lucky. I timed it out, and I even accounted for a week for shipping. I got it 2 weeks earlier than I was thinking. So I was very, very excited about that. So looking at the wig and the color, she's got highlights throughout. This is a full spin. I believe she's 130% density, which I like. Good ear tuck. Of course, I haven't cut the lace or anything, but that looks like that's going to be an easy thing to do. Oh, I'm so excited about this. My eyebrow flipping up. I'm so excited about this wig. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to be able to do much with her yet. I don't have my appointment with the, oh, my dogs are barking. My husband's home. I don't have my appointment with my hairdresser until December 10th, so I have to wait so long. Hopefully I wait that long. I may wash her and use some blue shampoo and see if I can get it myself. But she's great. This is such a great wig. I love that it's Remy human hair. I do. And I just feel like this hair on me, minus this chunk. So I like the money piece. I like it a little lighter, but I just not quite that light. So that's just a color thing in just like one area. But otherwise, this is probably the closest to my natural hair of a wig that I have. So I love that. Oh, I just love that. I'm so excited.